it took me 3 days to be monetized, 12 days to my channel hitting 12 months, and my channel was monetized on the 12th of May 2021. Yay! So guys, you are welcome to my channel Cheese Remedy. So today's video, I really want to appreciate you all, my subscribers, for watching my videos, for always coming back. Those that supported me through this journey, I say thank you so very much. God bless you all, and may God meet you all at every point of your need. So my special thanks goes to God Almighty, to my amazing husband who has always been supportive right from day one. I also thank these amazing souls: Joyous Joycey, Uzoma, Steph Beauty Clinic, Everything Disa, Joy Wamba, Jenny O, Better Life Naturals. The list goes on and on. I also appreciate you, Choma's Kitchen. In fact, the list goes on and on. So if I didn't mention your name, it doesn't mean that you are not remembered. So guys, check out their channels. They are so amazing. So I just want to kind of rush this video because I know time is really money. So before we get into the video, please don't forget to like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because now I'm going to be posting lots of healthy recipes that will help you to live a healthy lifestyle. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will get notified each time I post a helpful video. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So I want to share with you guys what helped me to achieve my 1,000 subscribers and my 4,000 watch hour within the space of 12 months. So the first thing that helped me, that I tell anyone that comes to me, is believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Most of you are having a kind of slow progress. You start losing hope. What am I doing that what is it that I'm doing that I'm not doing right? Before you know it, you start losing that confidence, you start losing that belief in yourself. So the first thing that really helped me, I believed in myself, and I kept telling myself that I can do it. It doesn't matter what Mr. A or Mr. B is doing, just focus on your lane and believe in yourself. And the second thing that helped me is patience. You have to learn how to be patient. Don't be on the fast lane. I've learned to be patient. Seriously, I've learned to be patient, and once you learn to be patient, it's win-win for you. And the third thing that helped me is cry out. You might be wondering, what is cry out? Yes, when I noticed that I just have only 2 months left for me to get to 12 months, I started crying out. Anybody I meet, I will cry out to the person, see, I only have 2 months left. Most of you will attest to that. Most of you that I came to cry out to privately, I'll just say, see, I have only 2 months. What do I do? What do I do to increase my watch hour? In fact, I will cry, and the person will tell me, most people will tell me, okay, don't worry, this is what you are going to do, this is what you are going to do. Okay, I'm going to help you out in this way, I'm going to help you out in that way. This is the major thing that helps me, because if you don't cry out, if you keep it to yourself, there's no way you will have idea, there's no way you will learn, there's no way you will know how the way forward. Don't be shy, just cry out and ask God to send your helpers your way. That is the most important thing, because it is only God that can direct people that will help you. It is not easy for someone to abandon what he or she is doing just to assist you or to give you information. Anytime I wake up in the morning, I say, God, please, today is another new day. I want to enter my office, that's my phone. Please send my helpers my way. Send people that you will use to help me today. So that is what I do, and God really did it for me. He sent people that really helped me, that anyone that I cried to, they always hear and answer me. Another thing is for you to show up every day. Be serious about your YouTube. Treat YouTube as your business. Like, you can't just start YouTube, you just started and you just take a break, unless maybe something significant came up and you feel like taking a break. When you are building up a business, imagine you just opened a shop and you invested millions of naira into that shop. You just sell, maybe for 1 month there was no sales, 2 months there was no sales, 3rd month there was no sales, then you now closed up your shop. No, you just have to be consistent about it. Show up every day, come out every day, even if it's 1 hour, even if it's 2 hours. Just try to show up so people will know that you are there. So that is another thing that helped me. I tried to show up, though I know it's not really that easy, especially we that are Nigerian YouTubers. It's not really easy for us, but just try your best to show up every day. Another thing that helped me is being consistent, because then that I started earlier, I wasn't consistent. I thought maybe it's just something anytime, any day it can go. So but when I now understood how it works, I started being consistent in my own little way, in the way I can. Even when I started LS, I started running LS morning, night, morning, night. Even when I'm comfortable, when I'm not comfortable, I will just try my best, because I want to achieve success. So another thing that kept me moving is love what you do. Love what you do. That is it. If you are a new YouTuber like me, love what you do. That is the most important thing. Create a niche that you love. Don't create a niche because you feel maybe this niche is getting views, or maybe if you love cooking, stick to cooking. Stick to your cooking. Do it with fun. Do it with fun. I do mine with fun. Seriously, that is what kept me moving. Do what you love. Love what you do. If you don't love what you do, just look for another niche that you love. Ask yourself, this was the question I asked myself before I started my YouTube channel. What do I have to offer? What is it that I have that I can offer? That is the question I asked myself, and I looked at myself. Okay, I'm into this weight loss stuff. I was fat before. I tried all these remedies and it's working for me. Even aside the weight loss, other recipes that I know that really works, and I love natural remedies. I think I inherited it from my mom, because from year to year, my mom, even if she's sick, she doesn't go to the hospital. She just one leaf or the other will do the magic for her. That is what she believes in, and that is also what I believe in. I believe in nature. I believe in everything God has created. So that does not mean you shouldn't go to the hospital. So you should go to the hospital if you have any severe or any critical condition. Of course, you have to go to the doctor. We all know that YouTube is not a soft meat to chew. So for you to chew YouTube, you have to have a strong teeth. Your teeth, you need to tighten up your teeth. Take remedies that will give you that strong teeth that you need for you to chew this meat smoothly, because YouTube is not a soft meat to chew. You have to be ready for it. So when I saw 1,000 subscribers, they ticked it good. My 4,000 ticked good. Apply now. I didn't apply immediately because I was having like as if I'm a kind of scared. I don't know what it's called, but I was just shivering. So I called someone. She now said, apply now. What are you waiting for? So that Sunday around 9 p.m. I applied. I clicked on the apply, and to get monetized you need to follow these 3 process. So this is what came out. So the first, you have to agree on the terms. So I agreed on the terms. The second, you have to create your Google AdSense PIN. So the person that was directing me, she advised me not to create a Google AdSense until the day that I'm applying, so it won't delay.
So when I clicked on that, so what you just have to do there is for you to input your email, the email you know you are going to use, like the email you are using for your channel, the address where you want to receive your Google AdSense. Just follow the instruction and it will tell you in review. So in that review, I was having, will I say heart attack? God forbid. So I was really very anxious because 30 minutes in review, 1 hour in review. So I was panicking. I was just like calling people I know I will call to, like, this thing is still in review for the past how many hours. So the person now told me that, oh, that's in review, it will take maybe 3 to 5 days. It depends. Most times it will even take 1 week or 2 weeks. I said God, I want my channel, I want this to get done like the next day. So when she said, well, 5 days, I just said to myself, it won't get to that 5 days. That 5 days is too far for me. That was what I said to myself. So lo and behold, the next day I applied on Sunday from 9 to 10. I was done already. So when I woke up in the morning, I checked, in review is now done, because when you are through, it will tell you done. The last stage will enter in review automatically. So that was the last stage. So the last stage, if from my research, they will tell you it will take 30 days for YouTube to monetize your channel. Most people will say it will take 3 weeks. Most people will say it will take 1 week. Everybody has their own experience. So but in my own case, it just took me 3 days. Like most people do say, send them mail, send them a feedback, send YouTube feedback. It will make them to review your channel faster. So there's nothing special that I did for my channel to be monetized in 3 days. These things that I told you now, that is what I did, and I laid everything down. I laid everything down to God, like, God, have your way. I want my channel to be monetized in 3 days. I don't want it to stay 5 days or 10 days or even 1 month. And God did it for me. I applied on Sunday, maybe because Sunday was not Sunday was not a working day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday morning. It was not even up to 3 days, 2.5 days. So Wednesday morning, I now received, congratulations, this is what I got, congratulations, your channel Cheese Remedy is now monetized. So that is it, guys. It was so simple, so amazing. So what I want to say is just that do your own thing. It might take other people weeks, it might take other people months. Say what you want for yourself, work towards it, and believe in yourself. So guys, this is all I have for today. Thank you guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I believe we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so each time I post a helpful video, natural remedies that will help you to live healthy, that will help you to live a good life, that will help you to live a long life, you will be notified anytime I upload such videos. And don't forget to share this video, like this video. If you really want, a lot of people out there, they want to be encouraged, share this video to them, they'll be encouraged. So you that is watching me right now that is yet to be monetized, don't worry, be patient, work towards it, believe in yourself, show up every day, be consistent, lay down everything in the hands of God, and with no time you will be monetized. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye bye. See you in my next